Hi, I'm Karuna Ramanuj, CEO of TGC Staffing. I review thousands of resumes every year, and I can tell you this with complete confidence that the resume in 2026 is not the same document it was even 2 years ago. Hiring today is faster, it's more digital, and it's far more selective. Recruiters are not just scanning resume anymore, they are looking for impact, relevance, and clarity within a second. So, if you're planning for your next career move, this is the right time to rethink your resume. Let me walk you through what's working today, what's in, what's out, and how you can stay competitive. First, result over responsibility. Hiring manager don't want to read what you were supposed to do. They want to see what you actually achieved. Instead of saying, I handled client accounts, say something like, I managed 25 plus client account and increased retention by 18%. Number tells your story faster. They show impact and they make your resume stand out immediately. Second, skills are as crucial as job title. In 2026, careers are not just linear anymore. Things are evolving quickly in the AI world, and so do the skills. So, your resume should clearly highlight your technical skills, the tool you have used, and your transferable strengths. This not only helps recruiters but also improves how your resume perform in ATS system. Third, keep it simple. A clean resume always wins. Use clean headlines, use bullet points, avoid heavy graphics and complicated designs. Because here is the truth. If the system can't read your resume, a recruiter never will. And finally, customization. One resume for every job no longer works. You don't need to rewrite everything, but what you do need to do is adjust keyword, highlight relevant experience, match your language with the job. This small efforts makes big difference in getting interview calls. Let's talk about what's no longer working. First, objective statements. Recruiters already know your objective. You want the job. Instead, use a strong professional summary. Tell them who you are and what value you can bring. Second, long resume without purpose. In most cases, your resume should be 1 or 2 pages. Every line should add value. If it doesn't, remove it. Third, generic words like hardworking or a team player, this don't differentiate you anymore. Instead of saying it, show it through your result. And finally, outdated skills. If you haven't used a skills in years or it is no longer relevant, remove it. Your resume should reflect what you are going to, not where you started. From my experience leading TGC staffing, I can tell you this: recruiters are under pressure. They need to move fast, they need to reduce hiring risk. Your resume has one job to answer the question within seconds: why should we speak to you? If your resume does that clearly, you're already ahead of most of the candidates. How TGC staffing helps. At TGC, we work closely with job seekers to help them align their resume with current market expectations, prepare them for interviews with real employer insights, and access opportunities that are not even publicly listed. Your resume is not just a document, it's your personal marketing tool. If you adapt with the market, opportunity will follow you. And if you need guidance, feel free to connect with me here on LinkedIn, Instagram, or tap onto our website tgcstaffing.com. We are always happy to help.